Let's get right into it. Are K-tips worth the price? Why they are so expensive? My name is Elke. I'm a curly K-tip specialist located in Westminster, California. So let's get right into it. Let's talk about sourcing hair. When it comes to K-tips, we want to make sure that the quality of the hair is to perfection, at least for me. So when I source hair, I want the hair to really match the texture and the curl pattern of my client's hair. And I find that raw Malagasy is the perfect hair for that. This is raw Malagasy from Madagascar, and I get it from my hair collector. I don't go through a hair vendor. They actually go and cut the hair from the donor themselves and sell the hair. So this is real raw hair, family. Okay, this is not from a vendor. These curls are not created. This is natural curls from somebody's scalp. Okay, so raw Malagasy and sourcing raw hair is the key to beautiful installs. All right, so let's talk about making the K-tips. Making the K-tips is one of those takes. It takes a lot of time, a lot of just expertise, education, and being really intentional. I make 300 pieces of 0.3 grams of K-tips. Okay, so I measure my K-tips, so they have to be 0.3 grams each. Okay, and I make 300 pieces of this. These are handmade K-tips using Italian keratin. Okay, this is just top tier, and it takes a lot of time to make. Sometimes it could take up to 2 to 3 days. All right, and let's talk about the install. Installs are another thing. Installs can take between 6, 8, 10 hours, depending on the density, depending on what the client is looking to do. So you want to ensure that when you're installing the K-tips to the client's hair, that it is the capsules are matching the density of each parting right, because you want to ensure that it's not going to be heavy, it's not going to be uncomfortable. You can move it, you know what I mean? Because once it starts to grow out, you don't want any breakage happening while your client is having the K-tip installs in their hair. That is very, very important. Making sure that each bonds are matching the density of the client's hair is very, very important. Okay, so let's talk about just styling and ensuring that the client knows how to care for the hair after it's installed. So typically after I install, I always make sure that I go through the education and let them know, like, hey, this is how you take care of your hair. Here's a PDF that has all the products, that has all the things that you need to care for your hair. We go through that during the appointment and we talk about those things. So all these things, when it comes to properly sourcing hair, making K-tips, installation, care, all these things are so important. And this is why K-tips is a luxury service, family. This is a luxury service, okay? It takes a lot of time behind the chair, and it takes a lot of time for the stylist to ensure that she's properly making each K-tips for you. And the thing about it is, a lot of stylists are not necessarily making the K-tips, they're buying factory bonds. So you want to make sure you do your part when it comes to research. Definitely ask a lot of questions before you get your K-tips done. So, family, let me know down below. Do you still believe that K-tips are worth the price? If so, would you get K-tips yourself? I definitely want to know your comments down below.